Good day mga boss! Welcome po ulit sa ating channel, Math Tutorials TV. In this video, we are going to discuss about the divisibility rule for 3 and 4. Or, we are going to discuss how to determine if a given number is divisible by 3 or 4. So, are you ready? Let us start. First, we are going to discuss the divisibility rule for 3, or how are we going to determine that a certain number is divisible by 3. So in order to determine that a certain number is divisible by 3, all you have to do is just add all the digits of that number, and if the sum is divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. For example, 501. Is 501 divisible by 3? So if we're going to test 501 if this is divisible by 3, all you have to do is you're going to add all the digits of 501. So we have 3 digits. We have 5, 0, and 1. So we're going to add these digits. The sum is 6. Now, is 6 divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3. Therefore, 501 is also divisible by 3. Another example, we have 1761. So to test if 1761 is divisible by 3, all you have to do is add all the digits of this number. Okay, so we have 4 digits, 1, 7, 6, and 1. So if you're going to add these numbers, the sum is 15. Okay, is 15 divisible by 3? Yes, that's correct. Therefore, if the sum is divisible by 3, if the sum of the digits of this number is divisible by 3, therefore 1761 is also divisible by 3. The next divisibility rule we are going to discuss is for 4. Okay, so how are we going to determine that a certain number is divisible by 4? So all you have to do is just take the 2 digits of that number, and if the last 2 digits form a number divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4 also. For example, if we're going to test 712 if it is divisible by 4. So all you have to do is you take the last 2 digits of 712, that is 12. If the last 2 digits form a number divisible by 4, then that certain number is also divisible by 4. Since the last 2 digits of 712 is 12, and 12 is divisible by 4, therefore 712 is divisible by 4. Another example is we have 3424. So if we are going to test if this number is divisible by 4, you take the last 2 digits of that number, which is 24. Then you test if 24 is divisible by 4. So 24 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 3424 is also divisible by 4. I hope mga boss, may natutunan naman kayo sa ating bagong video. Thank you for supporting our channel. Thank you again and God bless.